Happy morning, children. Today we are going to learn about the poem named Bird Talk. The poem is written by Aileen Fisher. As the name of the poem Bird Talk itself tells us that the poem is about conversation between two birds. Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. In this stanza, we can hear two birds talking to each other. So, there are two birds. One bird name is Robin, another bird name is Jay. These birds are talking and discussing about what people are doing sitting in the garden. People means people like us, we human beings. So obviously these birds are talking and discussing about us. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all. In these lines, they are talking to each other that how these people grows and they don't have feathers like us. So, children, here the birds are comparing between them and us. They boast of the fact that they have feathers which we humans do not have. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. In this stanza, birds talk that, like us, these people don't eat beetles. So, children, beetles means small insect. Also, they talk that people don't like sitting on wires as they do. Children, I think you all would have seen birds sitting on wires or things, but we don't sit as these birds do, right? Things said the robin, things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? So, in the last stanza, it tells that birds feel so much unfamiliar between us and them. They feel so different from themselves and they find people too funny to be living like this. They feel that they enjoy more freedom than human beings as they can fly away with their wings to any place they want. So that was all about the poem Bird Talk. Thank you students and have a nice day.